And this is Chuck Thompson with Bill O'Donnell saying so long from Memorial Stadium in Baltimore. Any rebroadcast or other use of the play-by-play description without written consent is prohibited.
Oriole baseball is a father and a son having fun together. It's you and your number one underneath the lights or in the sun having fun together. Oriole baseball is Baltimore, is being there, is everyone, yeah, having fun together. More than rice, more than hits, more than a moment's fame, more than wins, more than losses, more than just a game. Oh, Oriole baseball is everyone having fun, being one together.